seriously. But what we take more seriously is racism. This has nothing but hurt the people, not just from the Bangladeshi community, from every single other communities. Why? Because we didn't even make it in the top 12 for the problems that they have in this country, let alone the top 5. Inshallah, we are going to be raising our voice, not just today, for years to come, until the Labour Party, their supporters, their funders know that we will not tolerate this kind of behavior from any party. Over the last 4 decades of my life that I lived in Longside, my